first steps to consider when merging an electrical company with an HVAC company are as follows. Firstly, market research should be conducted to determine the potential market demand for combined electrical and HVAC services. Thorough research will help you understand if there is a need for this kind of combined service in your area. This includes identifying your target customers, assessing your competitors, and understanding pricing strategies. Secondly, legal and regulatory compliance is essential. Ensure that the company is compliant with all applicable laws and regulations regarding both electrical and HVAC work. This includes obtaining the necessary licenses and permits, as well as adhering to safety standards and building codes. Thirdly, identify synergies between the two trades. Explore the areas where electrical and HVAC services can complement each other, such as power connections for HVAC equipment. This can help streamline operations and provide added value to customers. Fourthly, staffing and training requirements should be assessed. Determine the need for additional electricians or HVAC technicians and consider providing training opportunities to current employees. Cross-training can be a valuable asset, allowing employees to handle a wider range of tasks. Fifthly, determine if there are any facility and equipment upgrades that are required to support both electrical and HVAC operations. This includes ensuring that you have the necessary tools, vehicles, and workspace to accommodate both trades. Sixthly, financial planning is crucial. Project potential revenue and expenses to ensure financial viability. This includes creating a detailed business plan that outlines your financial goals and strategies. Some advice for getting you thinking involves the following points. Firstly, consider a phased approach. Instead of merging the companies abruptly, gradually integrate HVAC services to minimize disruption. This allows you to test the waters and make adjustments as needed. Secondly, focus on specialized areas. Identify niche markets where the combination of electrical and HVAC services provides a unique advantage. This could include energy efficiency upgrades, smart home automation, or specialized HVAC systems for commercial buildings. Thirdly, leverage existing relationships. Utilize your electrical company's relationships with contractors and clients to promote the expanded services. This can provide a built-in customer base and help you quickly gain traction in the HVAC market. Fourthly, differentiate your offering. Highlight the value proposition of combining electrical and HVAC services, emphasizing the convenience, cost-effectiveness, and expertise it provides. Clearly communicate the benefits to customers, such as saving time and money by hiring one company for both services. Fifthly, seek professional guidance. Consult with a business advisor or industry expert to provide insights and support during the integration process. They can help you navigate the challenges of merging two businesses and provide valuable advice on strategy and operations. Sixthly, stay adaptable to change. Be prepared to adjust your plans as needed based on market feedback and changes in the industry. The business environment is constantly evolving, so it is important to be flexible and willing to adapt. Seventhly, embrace continuous learning. Invest in training and development for employees to enhance their skills and knowledge in both electrical and HVAC fields. This ensures that your team has the expertise to provide high-quality services and stay up to date with the latest technologies. Finally, maintain quality and credibility. Prioritize providing high-quality services and upholding professional standards in both areas of operation. This builds trust with customers and helps establish a strong reputation for your combined company. Remember that combining two businesses requires careful planning and execution. By following these steps and advice, you can increase your chances of success and create a thriving company that offers a comprehensive range of electrical and HVAC services. When considering electrical work, several key aspects need to be taken into account to ensure safety, compliance, and efficiency. These aspects include understanding electrical codes and standards, proper wiring and grounding techniques, load calculations, circuit protection, and energy efficiency. Electrical codes and standards are the foundation of safe electrical practices. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is the most widely adopted standard in the United States. It provides detailed requirements for electrical installations to protect people and property from electrical hazards. Compliance with the NEC is essential for all electrical work, and local jurisdictions may have additional requirements. It is critical to stay up to date with the latest version of the NEC, as it is revised every 3 years to reflect changes in technology and best practices. Proper wiring and grounding techniques are essential for preventing electrical shocks and fires. Wiring must be correctly sized for the intended load, and connections must be secure and properly insulated. Grounding provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping a circuit breaker or fuse and preventing a dangerous buildup of voltage. Grounding systems should be properly installed and tested to ensure their effectiveness. Load calculations are necessary to determine the appropriate size of electrical service, feeders, and branch circuits. Load calculations take into account the anticipated electrical demand of all connected devices and equipment. Overloading circuits can lead to overheating, insulation damage, and fire hazards. By accurately calculating the load, electricians can ensure that the electrical system is capable of handling the demand safely and efficiently. Circuit protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to protect electrical circuits from overcurrents and short circuits. These devices interrupt the flow of electricity when a fault occurs, preventing damage to equipment and reducing the risk of fire. Circuit breakers and fuses must be properly sized for the circuit they protect, and they should be regularly inspected to ensure they are functioning correctly. Energy efficiency is an increasingly important consideration in electrical work. Energy-efficient lighting appliances and equipment can significantly reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Electricians can advise customers on energy-saving strategies and install energy-efficient products. This includes using LED lighting, installing smart thermostats, and optimizing electrical system design. When considering HVAC work, several key aspects also need to be taken into account to ensure efficient, reliable, and safe operation. These aspects include understanding HVAC systems, proper installation techniques, maintenance and repair, indoor air quality, and energy efficiency. Understanding HVAC systems is the foundation of effective HVAC work. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. HVAC systems are designed to control temperature, humidity, and air quality in buildings. Different types of HVAC systems include central air conditioning, heat pumps, furnaces, and boilers. Electricians working on HVAC systems must understand how these systems operate and how they interact with the electrical system. Proper installation techniques are essential for ensuring the efficient and reliable operation of HVAC systems. This includes correctly sizing ductwork, properly insulating refrigerant lines, and ensuring that all connections are tight and leak-free. Improperly installed HVAC systems can lead to reduced efficiency, increased energy consumption, and premature equipment failure. Maintenance and repair are critical for extending the life of HVAC systems and preventing breakdowns. Regular maintenance includes cleaning or replacing air filters, inspecting and cleaning coils, and checking refrigerant levels. Electricians working on HVAC systems should be able to diagnose and repair common problems, such as refrigerant leaks, compressor failures, and electrical issues. Indoor air quality is an important consideration in HVAC work. HVAC systems can help improve indoor air quality by filtering out dust, pollen, and other pollutants. Electricians can install air purifiers, humidifiers, and dehumidifiers to further improve indoor air quality. They can also advise customers on how to maintain a healthy indoor environment. Energy efficiency is a key consideration in HVAC work. Energy-efficient HVAC systems can significantly reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Electricians can install high-efficiency HVAC systems such as heat pumps and variable-speed air conditioners. They can also advise customers on how to optimize HVAC system operation for maximum energy efficiency. In addition to these technical aspects, there are also several business considerations to keep in mind when combining electrical and HVAC services. These include pricing, marketing, customer service, and risk management. Pricing is an important factor in attracting and retaining customers. Electricians and HVAC technicians must develop a pricing strategy that is competitive yet profitable. This includes considering the cost of materials, labor, and overhead. Marketing is essential for promoting the combined electrical and HVAC services. Electricians and HVAC technicians can use a variety of marketing techniques, such as advertising, social media, and networking to reach potential customers. Customer service is critical for building a strong reputation and generating repeat business. Electricians and HVAC technicians must provide excellent customer service, responding promptly to inquiries, completing work on time, and addressing any concerns or complaints. Risk management is an important consideration for any business. Electricians and HVAC technicians must take steps to protect themselves from liability, such as carrying adequate insurance and following safety procedures. By carefully considering these technical and business aspects, you can increase your chances of success in combining electrical and HVAC services. This combination can provide a valuable service to customers and create a thriving business. Remember to stay up to date with the latest technologies, regulations, and best practices to ensure that you are providing the highest quality service possible. The NEC, for example, in Article 210.12, covers arc fault circuit interrupter protection, which is an important safety measure for residential circuits. The NEC also addresses grounding and bonding requirements in Article 250, which are essential for preventing electrical shocks and fires. Specific NEC tables, such as Table 310.15b16, provide ampacity ratings for conductors based on their size and insulation type. These tables are used to ensure that conductors are properly sized for the intended load. Furthermore, understanding single-phase and three-phase power systems is crucial. Single-phase systems are commonly used in residential applications, while three-phase systems are typically used in commercial and industrial settings. A typical single-phase voltage is 120 volts or 240 volts, while a typical three-phase voltage is 208 volts, 277 volts, or 480 volts. Electricians must be able to work with both types of systems and understand the differences between them. In HVAC systems, understanding refrigerant types and handling procedures is essential. Refrigerants are used to transfer heat in HVAC systems, and they must be handled properly to prevent environmental damage and health hazards. Common refrigerants include R-410 and R-134. Electricians working on HVAC systems must be certified to handle refrigerants and follow all applicable regulations. Additionally, understanding HVAC system components is important. These components include compressors, condensers, evaporators, and air handlers. Each component plays a critical role in the operation of the HVAC system, and electricians must be able to troubleshoot and repair these components. Moreover, energy efficiency standards for HVAC equipment are constantly evolving. Electricians and HVAC technicians must stay up to date with the latest efficiency standards, such as Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, or SEER, for air conditioners, and Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF, for heat pumps. Installing high-efficiency HVAC equipment can significantly reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills.